The Instant Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify the cooking process while delivering high-quality, tasty results. This model is part of the well-known Instant Pot family, which is renowned for its dependable and efficient kitchen gadgets. The air fryer boasts a generous 6-quart capacity, making it suitable for families or for preparing meals for gatherings. Its size enables the cooking of substantial portions, which is perfect for those looking to make quick and easy meals without multiple batches. One of the standout features of the Instant Vortex Plus is its 6-in-1 functionality. It can broil, dehydrate, crisp, roast, reheat, and bake, making it a multi-purpose tool that can replace several kitchen appliances. This versatility not only saves space, but also reduces the time and effort involved in cooking different types of meals. For those new to air frying or looking to expand their culinary repertoire, the air fryer comes with access to over 100 in-app recipes. These recipes cater to a wide range of tastes and preferences and help users get the most out of their appliance. The app is user-friendly and continually updated, providing fresh culinary inspiration. Ease of use is another key benefit. The Instant Vortex Plus features intuitive controls and a clear, easy-to-read display. Adjusting settings for different cooking functions is straightforward, which helps in achieving consistent cooking results. The air fryer's design is also focused on convenience. Its components are dishwasher safe, which simplifies cleanup, a significant advantage for those who dread washing up after cooking. The appliance's sleek, black exterior is stylish and likely to complement most kitchen decors. However, potential users should consider the size of the appliance, as its larger dimensions might require a considerable amount of counter space. Additionally, like most air fryers, it can be noisy in operation, which might be a consideration for some households. In conclusion, the Instant Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer is a robust and efficient appliance that lives up to the reputation of its Instant Pot lineage. It offers a range of cooking functions that can cater to nearly any dish, supported by a helpful recipe app. While it requires a bit of kitchen real estate and tolerance for operational noise, the benefits of quick, versatile cooking and easy cleanup make it a worthwhile addition to any kitchen.